welcome to Crosson's Garage. Today we're going to be doing a whole video about the 1960 Nova convertible. And remember the very first video that when I said this is our Nova? Well, we're doing a full video about the Nova. Today we will talk about the suspension and take a drive in it, and let's get to it. We got a new front suspension, and I'm gonna show you all the parts that we got. This is the coil over kit. This is the upper A-arms. Got the sway bar kit, the lower control arms. We got the 0 offset brakes. I showed you this, and this. And now I'm gonna show you some close-up shots and details.
Honk honk.
Oh, beep beep. It sounds like an
beep
18
beep. She likes beep beep better.
Okay, say beep beep.
Beep beep. Beep beep.
Yay!
You know the horn sounds like a train horn, right? Well, that's it for this video. What do you? Let me know in the comments if you like the suspension and wheels. Make sure to like and subscribe on that button. Thanks for watching Crosson's Garage.